welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Allure Beauty Box unboxing for the month of December. I'm really excited to see what came inside this month's Allure Beauty Box. So we are going to go ahead and get started and opening this bad boy right here. I'll do some swatches. I'll show you guys all of the items. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I have here my Allure Beauty Box. If you are new to my Allure Beauty Box unboxings, I do these every single month here on my channel. Allure is a monthly subscription service. It's $15 a month and you receive some full-size items and also some sample size items. It's normally pretty decent for the price. Again, it's only $15. And I know the December box is like known as one of their best boxes, so I'm really excited to see what came this month because I remember last December's box was incredible. So I'm super pumped to go ahead and open this month's box. So it did come in this right here. We have just like the white box. I'm gonna go ahead and give it an open. I haven't looked inside or anything yet, so this is gonna kind of be like a first impressions style unboxing. So we have right here on the cover, Miss Anastasia, looking gorgeous as ever. So inside of each box, you do get this little card right here that's gonna have all of the items on the inside. We have information on each one of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the products. So we have lots of Anastasia I can see so far. So up first, we have a liquid lipstick from her right here. And this one is in the shade Bohemian. I don't have this shade, so that's exciting. And it's a very pretty, a vampy shade, like a really nice, like rosy, vampy shade. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. I think the retail price on these is $20 for her liquid lipstick. So this is a full size. That is a really, really pretty color. It's almost more like a burgundy. Super gorgeous. And then we also have in here from Anastasia a clear brow gel as well. This one looks to be another full size, which is awesome. Actually, no, it's not. It's like a little mini. Thought it was a full size, but I don't think it is. This is like a smaller version of that. Probably like a deluxe size, I would say. Her brow gel isn't like my absolute favorite, but I know the full size does retail for $20, so I'd venture to guess this one's probably about like the $15 mark. Also, the next product in here, this one is a full size as well. This is a good box already, I can tell. This is from First Aid Beauty, and this is their Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer. I love this. It's very moisturizing. If you like a hydrating primer, this one is perfect for that. It smells incredible as well. It's very, very hydrating on the skin. And again, this is a full-size item. Let me see if we have the price on this one. I know it's not the most expensive thing, but it's pretty, yeah, it's $28. So this is, again, a really good value. All right, and then the next item I have is from Ouai, and this is their Texturising Hairspray. I haven't tried this one out yet, but this is a pretty good size as well. It's like their deluxe. This is more of like a travel size, I would say. Let's see how much the full-size one is in here. So the full-size product is $26. So again, this is just like a deluxe version of it. I've heard really good things about this brand. I've tried a few things from them, but I haven't tried their hairspray. And then we just have one last product in here, and this is a full-size palette. This is a really good box, you guys. I am super impressed. Another Anastasia palette. So this is the Moonchild palette, and I actually don't own this one. I didn't even know they still had this one out. For some reason, I thought this one was like discontinued, but I guess not. So we have the Moonchild Highlighting Palette. This has 6 different highlights in here. It's more of like an iridescent, fun palette. I do have the Aurora Glow Kit from them, and I do really like that one. I don't think I ever ended up kind of purchasing, I know I didn't purchase this one, but I don't think it really ever caught my eye too much, just because it is more of like an iridescent palette, and I don't necessarily wear those type of shades all the time, but if it's something that you're really into, I definitely recommend the glow kits. I think that they're pretty good quality. So here are swatches of all 6 of the highlighting shades. They definitely have like some purple, some yellow, some pink like tints to them, but they still look like they could be pretty wearable. I'm very, very shocked that we got a full-size palette in here. A lot of times, like I said, we do get a lot of sample items in the Allure Beauty Box. Something about these December boxes, I swear, are so, so good. And if it's your first time signing up for Allure, I'm pretty sure you can get this box for only $10. So for $10, you're getting a full-size palette, a full-size Anastasia lipstick, the brow gel, a full-size primer, and also getting the Ouai texture spray. I definitely think you cannot go wrong with purchasing this box. I know there are a few different variations you can get, but this is the one that I got, and I definitely recommend it. I think that this is an amazing box. Really excited about these products. I'm actually pretty excited about this highlighting palette because I think it's not as unwearable as I thought, so I'm definitely excited to give it a try. I love this primer. I'm just like really excited about this box, you guys. I think it's really good. Let me know if you guys have gotten your Allure Beauty Box down below. Let me know if you're planning on getting this one. I'll have down below the spot for you guys to sign up if you do want to sign up for it. Thank you so much for watching this quick little unboxing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.